These are all corkboard on the wall, so I can use that to fix lots of posters. And there is 2 bookshelves. Those are 2 bookshelves. I can put my lovely books, old books, for linking analog generation into 21st century digital era, forever moving fast. So I want to link that. And this is Briscoe exhibition, but wow, imagine this is a whole corkboard. I've got so many things to put it up. And there's a changing room, there's a staircase, I think. Yes, the staircase from downstairs. People will come. I'm gonna take a chair to sit down, spend here all day.